Hey physics, welcome to week 9. So we are about halfway through the semester here, and it's crazy that it's gone by so fast. We're also at the end of Investigation 3, so this week we're going to be getting you ready for the Investigation 3 test. So I don't know if you guys felt this way, but Mrs. Billy and I felt like this investigation has been a little bit of a whirlwind, and it was kind of tricky at first, like there was some things that even like as teachers we were like, what are we like, we see what we're doing here, but what is it really getting at? So I want to reassure you and let you know that the reviews that we made for you are going to bring it all together for you. They're going to give it more of like make it make more sense and give it more meaning that's going to connect to things that we've done before and things that are coming up soon. So I hope that you're not feeling discouraged or aloof or lost or anything right now. We'll get you back where you need to be, okay? No worries. So Monday or Tuesday morning, you're going to start off with the Investigation 3 Nearpod review. That's something that Mrs. Billy made, and it's just a great way of walking through all the stuff we talked about in Investigation 3. If you have not done any of your Google Forms from last week, meaning you probably got an email from me with a link to them, you should do that on Monday or Tuesday morning also. And you can also redo any Google Forms you'd like a better score on. I'm going to put out a video that has kind of like a walkthrough for each one so you can get a good feel for how you're supposed to be answering it and why. So then on Monday or Tuesday afternoon, we're going to start off with a feedback Jamboard. I've gotten a little bit of feedback lately that I just want to check in and see if that's kind of like a universal feel, if everyone's kind of feeling the same way as I heard about. So you can actually get started on that right now if you'd like to. The warm-up question for today during sync time is going to be to put at least one sticky note in that Jamboard. But if you want to do one per page, like that's fine. Whatever, all feedback is good feedback for real. Like this is my first year teaching this class and I want to make it work for you guys, like well. So, okay, so then the big chunk of what we'll do on Monday or Tuesday during sync time is another Investigation 3 models and review, which goes through the whole thing, kind of brings it all together, and also has you do some of the practice by drawing some of the models of things that we've talked about, okay? So then the end of the week is kind of funny because 10th graders have their PSAT test on Thursday. So there's no asynchronous work that day, and there's also no synchronous work that day, unless you need to get caught up or work ahead or whatever you want to do. So Wednesday or Friday or Thursday morning, however you want to work it, is to do a practice test, which is not graded, but it'll be a good sense of what the test is going to look like so you can know if you're ready or not. You can also redo any Google Forms you'd like a better score on. Again, that's a really good review for the test also, and I'm happy to give people perfect scores, right? So then in the afternoon, there'll be the Investigation 3 test. And I'm going to leave that open because we have such a big difference in, like, we have 1st through 3rd hours on Wednesday and then 4th through 6th is on Friday. Like, that's a big difference in days. So I'm going to let you take that Investigation 3 test. Either during sync time is fine, or if you'd like to take it anytime before Thursday at midnight, that's fine with me. And then 4th through 6th hour, you guys are going to take it during sync on Friday. Okay? So that's the week. We're making it. We're doing it. It's just about Halloween time. So I hope you guys are doing well. And I look forward to hearing your feedback on Monday and Tuesday. All right. See you soon.